Just got back from dump and I got this big thing back on a scooter. It's a Samsung, it's a laser printer SCX, and yeah. What it actually does, when you power it up, it's making some fizzing noises and things like that. Why? Check this thing out. It's one blown capacitor. Nothing much else. So we'll try to take it apart. Change that capacitor. I believe I don't have it. Usually happens. Then we'll see if this thing will work. I actually have 3 spare toners, the same as in there. So that's why. And the result after changing one Samsung capacitor is here. It is ready 100%. Here's the printed test page. As you can see, look at that. The toner is brilliant. That was printed on a toner safe. So, and it was also on a light. No, it was on a normal. Doesn't care. I'll leave it on light. So the toner is full. The scanning thing. So the scanner, I think it's in my pictures somewhere down there. Look at that. So I've scanned this shit. Here it is. I have scanned this page. Look at that. Truly amazing. Oops, my camera did unfocus. So it's really nice quality. There is a little bit of blurriness over there because the glass is still dirty. I haven't cleaned it yet. Ew. Need to clean it. And also it works from up here. Oh, it needs to be on the top. So great, now it's loaded. Let's see if we can scan from a top. Let's see now. Nope. We can cancel it. Yes. So we can actually only send fax from over here. I have no clue why is that button scan to my documents. Okay, now start. Oh, great. Oh, shoot. Why did I say my documents? I also think that I'll need to clean a roller there and there. Maybe not. That's the photocopy. Oh damn, it should be on the light. The fan is amazingly quiet, and it's also an energy starting. So, it was worth of 1, 5 or even 3 cent capacitor.